Hello and welcome to Robotics Bootcamp. In this video we will be covering the programming aspect of our robots. So first we're going to cover a while loop. A while loop is a certain line of code that will run while a certain situation is occurring. In our case it's 1 equals 1. The equals is the operator that we use to set things equal to. Now we're going to be covering the ting command. The ting command is the style of driving that we will be using. It uses 2 joysticks to drive, 1 per each side. The numbers that are next to the ting symbol stand for the joystick that you'll be using, aka controller that you'll be using, the channels that you'll be using, aka the buttons or joysticks on the controller that you'll be using, the motors that each joystick or button controls, and which direction each button will spin the motor. Your first number stands for which controller you are using. The second and the third numbers stand for which channels you are using. The fourth and the fifth numbers stand for which ports your motors are plugged into. And your 6th and your 7th numbers are whether each motor is inverted or not. Now we're going to cover the joystick digital to motor command. This helps you create the connection between the button that you press and the motor that you move. The first number next to the joystick command is which controller you'll actually be using. The second stands for the channel that you'll be using. Then the third and the fourth are with the forward direction. The third number stands for the button that you'll be using, and the fourth number is how much of a motor value you'll get from each press on that button. The fifth and sixth are the same as the forward direction, but in the reverse direction, and the seventh is which motor is being ran. For the clawbot, you'll do the same exact code. However, you will need to add 2 joystick commands and 2 motor commands instead of the ting command.